I am working on a Mercury 400 outboard from 1961. My starter doesn't seem to be turning over. I had it hooked up to a battery. I had a pair of jumper cables hooked up to the positive terminal, grounded it to this terminal, and it didn't twitch. So I took it apart, and I haven't found this anywhere on the internet, so I thought I'd show what the inside looks like, what the brushes look like. I'm going to just try putting some new brushes in. These actually don't look like they're bad. See if I can get some down at the Marina parts store. See, one fell out as I was removing it. I've never rebuilt a starter before. I've always just changed them out on cars. Not too, don't expect to be able to find a 1961 Mercury outboard starter. Here's what the one brush looks like that fell out. There's the contact point.